Okay. Let's work on this 20-year-old barn find by NZXT. Trash. Let's take an inventory here of what we got. All kinds of stuff. Alright. First thing I want to do is just unplug everything. All the cords that go to the drives. Alright, let's do that. Satan, just unplug. That's all you gotta do. Alright, there's the first thing we got. Super Talent SATA 2.5. 64 gigabyte. Alright. I'm going to take this out of there. I'll leave the screw in it. Yeah. Don't know if it works, but to be tested at a later date. Let's stick that right there. So let's take that screw out. Screw in a case. Don't know if we'll need it. Probably not. Alright, so here's what we have on the table. We got a bunch of the screws, a bunch of stuff here. Power supply, hard drives, floppy drives, video cards, neck, memory cooler, a couple hard drives. Typical gaming setup, it looks like, from the 20 years ago barn find. Alright, box full of cables, an extra motherboard. Alright, so now we got a stripped out carcass here, which will go in the shredder. Well, there you see my mess. That's what we have to deal with. So basically we got it took apart, and we'll make an inventory of what we got there, and we got to go and blow some things out with the air, compressed air, and find the case. And I've got some bunch of used cases we can use, and we'll see if we can get it to work before we put it in a case though. I want to power everything up and see what we got, and we'll do that on the next video. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye now.